Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, first edition of the CEO Trophy for Young Managers Award Ceremony held in Rourkela Steel Plant. Winners of Sales Story Writing Competition felicitated at SAIL, RSP. Now, the news in detail. The first edition of the CEO Trophy for Young Managers Award Distribution Function was organized at CEO Conference Hall of Rourkela Steel Plant on 27th October. Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, was the chief guest. The function was also attended by Mr. P.K. Das, ED Works, Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED P&A, Mr. D.K. Mahapatra, EDMM, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects, and Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM F&A. While many Chief General Managers, HODs, and other senior officers participated in virtual mode. It is worth mentioning here that the CEO Trophy for Young Managers has been introduced by MTI, Ranchi, in the 5 integrated steel plants. HRD Center of Rourkela Steel Plant conducted the competition on 15th October 2020 under the leadership of EDP&A. The team comprising Mr. Faraz Abbasi, AGM E&A, Mr. Anup Agarwal, Deputy Manager Hot Strip Mill 2, and Mr. Deepak Garg, Deputy Manager Water Management Department, won the first prize in the competition, while the second spot was bagged by Ms. Supriya Bhuiyan, Deputy Manager CPP 1, Ms. Jyotirmayi Rotia, Deputy Manager NPM, and Ms. Rita Murmu, Deputy Manager HSM 1. The second runners of the competition was the team consisting of Mr. Himanshu Mishra, Deputy Manager EMD, Ms. Khushbu Misra, Deputy Manager RNC Lab, and Mr. Dheeraj Kumar, Deputy Manager T&RM. The theme of the competition was based on leveraging the digitization capabilities at RSP and preparing it for Industry 4.0. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Chatraj congratulated the winners, runner-ups, and all the other participating teams. He also highlighted the importance and benefit of participating in such events, which helps in understanding the digitization, planning, implementation, and decision-making processes. Implementation of the suggestions and interferences will help RSP on multiple fronts, he stated. The CEO also brought forth certain issues pertaining to the digital transformation and preparation for Industry 4.0. Mr. Chatraj also stressed on the importance of using the outlook and aptitude of young minds for development and sustainability of the organization. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. P.K. Das congratulated the awardees and appreciated them for the creative ideas which can be utilized to step up the digital endeavors. Mr. Rajveer Singh stressed upon implementation of suggestions in time-bound manner, which will help the organization update and upgrade its skill sets. Mr. D.K. Mahapatra emphasized on participation of more know-of executives in these competitions in the days to come. Mr. Pankaj Kumar lauded the in-depth analysis and holistic presentations made by the teams. Mr. Praveen Nigam spoke about providing the young managers more such platforms to present their ideas and views. At the outset, Ms. Rajshri Banerjee, GM in charge HRD, welcomed the gathering. During the function, the 3 teams made their respective presentations. The event was anchored by Mr. K.K. Jaiswal, AGM HRD. In a function organized at Personal Conference Hall of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant on 26 October, Mr. Rajveer Singh EDP&A presented awards to the winners from Rourkela in the All India Open Sales Story Writing Competition 2020. My Steel Story. It is worth mentioning here that Mr. Devdatta Satpathy, GM in charge, CCW of RSP, has bagged first prize in the English category, while Ms. Munmun Mitra, DGM CSR, has won special consolation prize in the English category. Mr. Harbinder Singh, Assistant Manager, Bolani Mines RMD, who has got another consolation prize, also received the award. Present on the occasion were Mr. Rajendra Mishra, CGM P&A, Mr. Ajay Nayak, CGM TA and CSR, Mr. Dhirendra Mishra, GM PR and COC, and Mr. Rakesh Verma, GM Personal OD. Officers of RSP were also present in the function that was organized with strict adherence to the COVID-19 guidelines. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Rajveer Singh congratulated the winners and highlighted the importance of story writing and telling in transferring values and culture from generations to generations. Visualizations of ideas and putting it in right perspective for having positive impact is what matters, he added. Mr. Rajendra Mishra congratulated the winners and appreciated the unique initiative of storytelling competition taken up by SAIL to bring to the limelight how the company has touched innumerable lives in myriad ways. Mr. Naik urged all to highlight more such examples in story from both from the plant and peripheral areas to motivate others. During the function, the winners of the competition shared their experiences and what propelled them to pen down their stories. At the outset, Mr. Dhirendra Mishra welcomed the gathering. Ms. Archana Satpathy, DGM PR, coordinated the function and proposed a formal vote of thanks. It may be noted that the storytelling competition was an initiative by the company to create awareness amongst the people on steel uses. The competition's theme, SAIL creates a meaningful difference in people's lives, both in Hindi and English languages, and encouraged participants to share their experiences about SAIL and how the steelmaker is changing and adding meaningful difference to the lives of the people. With this, we come to the end of this edition of News Bulletin. Namaskar.